Kedarnath is a town in Rudraprayag district in Uttarakhand in India. This Jyotirling is located in Himalaya on the height of 3,583 meters above from sea level. It is located near the Arun Glacier, the source of Mandakini River. Ganga decided to defend the humankind, but her pressure of water was so strong that one could not bear it. Through 12 parts she came on the earth. This part of Ganga was called Mandakini River. This river is called Vishnu Kund. Incarnation of Lord Vishnu in the form of Nar and Narayan did Pinak by making Shivling. They did Pinak for the welfare of humankind. When the earth was made, then so much things were remained for deciding the humankind. Pinak means to meditate on some special matters that is very important for self and others. After Pinak, God Shivji appeared there. He asked for the reason. They requested him to be seated here for solving the problems of humankind. Lord Shivji accepted the request and had seated there as a Jyotirling. This is the same place where Nar and Narayan, the incarnation of God Vishnu, did Pinak. The next story is linked with Pandavas. Pandavas went to Kashi in Varanasi for releasing the sins of their brothers' killing. But God Shivji did not like all these murders. He was annoyed at all these circumstances. He disappeared from Kashi. Pandavas followed him. God Shivji took the form of bull and had hidden himself in Rudraprayag. Bhim took a very big form and extended himself according to the mountains. They recognized God Shivji. This place was called Gupt Kashi, where the parts of the bull were appeared that were called Panch Kedar. Kedarnath temple is made on Mandakini Ghat. There remains darkness inside the temple. We can have darshan with the help of lamp. We offer water and flowers on this shivling. Behind the temple there was a kund. Here Achaman and Tarpan performances were performed. This place is also called Kedarnath Dham. This place was already the residence of God Shivji. He gave it to Nar and Narayan. This place shows the feeling of selflessness. Adi Guru Shankaracharya took Samadhi here. He renovated the temple. Before death he made Veer Shaiv a head Purohit. Their ancestors have doing their duties. This temple has 3 parts. One is sanctum. The second is darshan mandap. Here people are gathered and do worship. Third is hall where pilgrims come for darshan and are gathered. In the main hall, here are images of Shiv, Parvati, Ganeshji and his wives Riddhi and Siddhi, Vishnu and Lakshmi, God Krishna, Yudhishthir, Bhim, Arjun, Nakul and Sahadev. Near Kedarnath temple there is a Bhukut Bhairav temple. Before worshipping Kedarnath temple, the worship of Bhukut Bhairav is done. Bhukut Bhairav is the form of God Shivji. In 2013, this worship was not performed in proper way. God Shivji annoyed and all pilgrims had to face the natural calamity. God Shivji honors his devotees and assistants equally. This temple has no roof, it is in open area. Kedarnath temple Jyotirling is also a dham. For the welfare of humankind, God Vishnu and God Shivji both did many efforts. We can get mental and spiritual satisfaction here.